Hi, Catherine. Thanks for the email and the videos. So when I go to sites, this is what comes up, missing link DP, and if I click on that, here I am. But if I go to, the waffle and look at sites, I have my old one. So it looks like it's I, I didn't convert it over and it says action needed. And if I upgrade now, this is what happens. So I guess I'm not really sure what to do. Do I put in a tech request for this? Um, I haven't tried your Google search yet, suggestion yet, but I'll try that. And if not, I'll put in a tech request.